friends, welcome to my channel Gardening. So having a beautiful garden is being anyone's dream. So friends, today in this video I want to show you the most important tools that you should have before starting a garden. So friends, these are the pruners. So it's really wonderful to have a pruner of your own. You can use scissors for the same purpose as well, but having a pruner is very important that you can purchase it online or in any other nursery which is nearer to you. So pruners help a lot. So pruners help us to prune the unwanted branches. So it helps us to trim the trees and plants. It helps in harvesting. So definitely this is one of the most important tools that you have to buy before starting a garden. So friends, this is a hoe. So this is a double-end hoe. So this is of a medium size but heavy one. So it's of utmost important for you to buy a hoe. So this hoe helps us a lot. This is a very simple tool which you can purchase it online or you can purchase it in your nearby shop. You can visit your nearby nursery and you can get all these simple instruments. These are quite easily available. So this helps us a lot and I definitely love this instrument. And without this instrument, I don't think gardening is ever possible. So friends, this is a trowel. So this is also needed if you want to repot a plant or if you want to pot a plant or if you want to make the soil around the stem of a plant loose. This helps a lot. So these three instruments are definitely important tools. So friends, just get them and start a garden of your own. So friends, this is another handy tool, the sprayer. So you can get a small sprayer of your own. The 1 liter bottles, they are very handy and they are easily available. So I mainly use this 5 liter bottle because I have a very big garden. So this tool helps us to spray the neem oil and all the medicines which are necessary for the plant. You can dilute them in water, fill the tank and then spray onto the plants very easily. So you can get a sprayer of your own before starting your own garden. So friends, kindly subscribe my channel and keep sharing my videos. So I promise you that I'll upload videos frequently whenever it's possible, and I'm sure that my videos will definitely entertain you and will be quite informative. So now it's bye from Sharon Leon.